Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Here we are getting ready for 7 Steps for Permission to Receive Half-Day workshop. And we're all set up here, and I'm really extra excited this morning because my beautiful sister-in-law has come. And she's the most divine mum. They are. And she's, hey Richard, good morning. And she's taking permission to put herself first. And that is going to only help her little beautiful beings who are my nephews. So it's very exciting. And what do I want to say about that? Morning, how are you, gorgeous? Yes. So we were just talking this morning about when you start to put yourself first, how all that guilt comes up. And that's great, because that's what we want. We want to clear that guilt, because that's really a drainer of the battery, a drainer of the energy. And we wonder why we wake up. Sometimes we've slept all night, but we feel exhausted, and that's why, because subconsciously the brain is still churning over guilt and producing it into the cells of the body, which makes us feel heavy, keeps us, if you want to lose weight, that's a good way to lose weight, is to work through the guilt as well, because it keeps us protection, a protective layer around the body. So yeah, we'll be working on all of those things today and teaching and learning how to receive, put ourselves first, fill ourselves up, give ourselves the overflow so we can be more energetic and live the life of our dreams, and then empower everyone around us to do that too, because I believe that's what we're here for, is to live joyfully and purposefully. Dodds, good morning, how are you? Susie, good morning. Sarah, good morning. All right, I better go and get ready. So have a great day, and happy birthday to Melma. It's her 40th today, and we're all going back to Ballarat for it, and can't wait. It's going to be an awesome evening tonight. Morning, gorgeous. You'll have to come to my workshop one day, Dodds. Yeah, great idea. Love you. What did you say?
Should be here today.
Should be here today, Bot said. And how funny is this story? My sister-in-law, Corinne Taylor, I'm a tailor, has been how long have you been my sister-in-law?
Coming up 7 years.
7 years she's been my sister-in-law, and I write on the registration form, Corinne Bot. She'll always be Bot to me, even though she's a beautiful tailor too. All right, love you all. Have a great day. Mwah. Bye.